Children, we are very familiar with the word environment. You know what is meant by environment? It includes the air we breathe, the water that covers, the plants and animals around us, and many other things. So, overall, what we can say about environment? The study of environment can be said as environmental chemistry. It is also one of the branch of chemistry which deals with chemical processes occurring in the environment by direct human activities. So what is nowadays the environment is get polluted by air, water, soil, etc. So what is meant by environmental pollution? Any undesirable change in our environment that has harmful effects on plants, animals, human beings is called environmental pollution. Mainly, it is caused by the addition of waste products by human activity. The substances that cause pollution of environment are called pollutants. They may be solid, may be liquids, or may be gas present in our environment. So, our environment becomes polluted day by day by the industrial waste, domestic waste. So, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the place we live are highly contaminated. So, mostly the pollutants are classified as biodegradable and non biodegradable. What is biodegradable pollutants? The pollutants which are decomposed by the natural biological process. Example, plant waste, animal waste, etc., which are easily decomposed. Non biodegradable, which cannot be decomposed by natural biological process. For example, plastic, metal waste, nuclear waste, as they are not degraded naturally, it is difficult to eliminate them from our environment. So, biodegradable means which are decomposed, non means which are not decomposed by natural biological process. Examples also you have to learn. It is given in page 260. Biodegradable and one example, non biodegradable and one example you have to write. So, the atmospheric pollution, while we are going to learn about atmospheric pollution, before that, the Earth's atmosphere is a layer of gases. It contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.3% argon, 0.04% carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of other gases, little amount of water vapor. So, this mixture is commonly known as air. So, what is meant by air? What is air? Air consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.04% carbon dioxide, trace amounts of other gases, and little amount of water. This mixture is commonly called as air. So, the Earth's atmosphere is divided into different layers with height and temperature. That is altitude. Altitude means height. From the Earth's surface, how much height regarding atmosphere. So, it is divided into four regions. One is troposphere. The second one is stratosphere. Third one is mesosphere. Fourth one is thermosphere. Troposphere. The first one is troposphere. Second one is stratosphere, hydrosphere. Third one is lithosphere or mesosphere. The fourth one is thermosphere or biosphere. Okay. So, troposphere is from 0 to 10 kilometer altitude from Earth's surface. 0 to 10 kilometer. Temperature is 15 degrees Celsius to minus 56 degrees Celsius. Next, stratosphere 10 to 50 kilometer. Temperature is minus 56 degrees Celsius to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Mesosphere 50 to 85 kilometer. Temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius to 92 degrees Celsius. Then last one is 85 to 500 kilometer. Temperature is minus 92 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to learn each one in elaborate manner. The first one is troposphere. It is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Lowest layer. Troposphere means lowest layer. Lowest layer, 0 to 10 kilometer from the Earth's surface. About 80% of the mass of the atmosphere is in this layer. Now the troposphere, it is further divided into hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. This troposphere, which is further divided into hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere further divides into hydrosphere, then lithosphere, then biosphere. Hydrosphere includes all types of water sources like ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, streams, underground water, polar ice caps, clouds, etc. Hydrosphere means including all the types of water. It covers 75% of the Earth's surface. Hence, the Earth is called as blue planet. What is meant by blue planet? Blue planet is otherwise called as hydrosphere. This includes all types of water sources like ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, streams, underground water, polar ice caps, clouds, etc. So it is referred as it is a blue planet. Next, lithosphere. It includes soil, rocks, mountains, which are solid components of the earth. Solid components. This is the liquid components, the solid components. Next, what is biosphere? It includes the lithosphere and hydrosphere and atmosphere, integrating the living organisms present in lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Biosphere includes hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. There is all living organisms present there. Totally, that is called biosphere. So children, this one is elaborately given in the book page number 260 and 261. So you mark, first one you mark about environmental pollution. It is given here in page 260, environmental pollution given here, that you have to learn. Then biodegradable you have to learn, non-biodegradable you have to learn. Then what is meant by air, it is given here, that you can mark. Then regions of atmosphere, all you have to learn. The temperature, altitude, gases present, everything you have to learn. Given in page 261. Fully go through and up to 261 you have to learn.